at creative web best practices, unlocking high impact campaigns. In today's digital landscape, creative elements drive up to 70% of advertising performance impact, according to Meta's 2023 research. This significant influence makes creative optimization essential for successful digital, social, and video advertising campaigns. Understanding and implementing data driven creative best practices can dramatically improve campaign effectiveness, audience engagement, and return on advertising spend. This presentation explores proven strategies to elevate your ad creative across platforms and formats. Why ad creative matters. Inventory X. CTR improvement. Strong creative significantly boosts click-through rates according to Google Ads research. 4x. Video record. Engaging visuals quadruple audience recall according to Nielsen's 2022 findings. 80% ROI attribution. Majority of campaign return on investment directly linked to creative quality. Creative excellence isn't just about aesthetics. 4. It delivers measurable business outcomes. High quality creative drives significant performance improvements across key metrics, making it worthy of strategic investment and attention from marketing teams. Pillars of effective ad creative. Distinctiveness. Stand out from competitor ads. Vidyuga audience targeting and personalization. Clarity. Single focused message per ad. Effective ad creative stands on three fundamental pillars that work together to capture attention and drive action. Clarity ensures your message is immediately understood. Relevance connects your offering to audience needs. When these elements work in harmony, ads become significantly more compelling and effective at driving desired consumer behaviors. Visual storytelling techniques. Brand identity. Include branded colors/logo within first 3 seconds. Human connection. Faces and emotion boost viewer attention by 50%. Motion engagement. Movement in first 2 seconds increases completion by 65%. Strong visual storytelling creates immediate impact and sustains viewer interest. Research from Ipsos in 2023 shows that featuring authentic human emotion dramatically increases attention metrics. For video formats, capturing attention in the crucial first seconds determines whether viewers will continue watching your message or scroll past. Strategic motion design can significantly improve completion rates. Compelling copywriting strategies. Action-oriented language. Use powerful verbs and clear calls to action that prompt immediate response from viewers. Discover, try, save, join, start. Let CTAs like shop now outperform in direct language. Tied to economy. Maximize impact with concise messaging that adheres to platform guidelines. Headlines under 40 characters. Descriptions maximum 90 characters. Problem solution framework. Address specific user pain points and clearly articulate how your offering provides solutions. Identify frustration points. Position product as the answer. Effective ad copy creates urgency, communicates value, and drives action. The most successful advertisements balance creativity with conversion-focused messaging that speaks directly to consumer needs and motivations. Designing for mobile-first platforms. Mobile dominance. 94% of Facebook ad revenue comes from mobile platforms. Vertical advantage. Vertical video outperforms square formats by 10-15%. Text optimization. Use large, high-contrast fonts for text overlays. Thumb-friendly design. Position CTAs where thumbs naturally rest on. In screen The overwhelming shift to mobile consumption demands advertisers prioritize mobile first design principles, with Meta reporting that 94% of Facebook ad revenue comes from mobile devices in 2024. Campaigns must be optimized for on the go viewing. Vertical formats that fill the entire mobile screen create a more immersive experience, leading to significantly better performance metrics across platforms. Consider how users physically interact with their devices when planning element placement, testing, and optimization. A/B testing. Come integrated systematically, best headlines, images, and CTA placement to identify winning combinations. Dynamic creative optimization. Leverage platform algorithms to automatically serve best performing creative assets. Iterative improvement. Update creative monthly for a consistent 20% performance lift. Performance analysis. Document learnings and build creative optimization playbooks. Continuous testing and refinement separate good campaigns from great ones. Implementing structured A/B testing protocols allows marketing teams to make data driven creative decisions rather than relying on assumptions. Modern advertising platforms offer sophisticated dynamic creative optimization tools that automatically identify and serve the highest performing creative variations to the right audiences, maximizing campaign efficiency. Measuring ad creative performance. Click through rate measures initial engagement. Benchmark industry average plus 20%. Conversion rate evaluates effectiveness at driving action. Benchmark 2 to 5% depending on vertical. View through rated shows video completion. Benchmark above 15% for full completion. Creative score platform specific creative quality rating. Benchmark above 7/10 on Facebook, good on Google. Effective measurement frameworks connect creative elements directly to business outcomes. Comparing performance across campaigns helps identify which creative approaches drive the strongest results for your specific audience and objectives. Platform specific diagnostic tools like Facebook's Creative Score and Google's Ad Strength provide actionable insights to improve creative quality and alignment with platform best practices. Post-campaign analysis should inform creative development for future initiatives. Emerging trends in ad creative. AI-generated creative. Tools like DALL-E and ChatGPT are revolutionizing how marketers produce visuals and copy at scale, enabling rapid testing of diverse creative approaches. These technologies allow for personalization and variation that would be impractical with traditional production methods. User-generated content. Authentic UGC creative formats are dramatically outperforming traditional brand-created assets, delivering higher trust signals and engagement. Brands are increasingly building frameworks to source, curate, and deploy customer content within campaigns. Interactive ad formats. Polls, augmented reality experiences, and other interactive elements are increasing engagement metrics by up to 30%. These formats transform passive viewing into active participation, creating memorable brand interactions. The advertising creative landscape continues to evolve rapidly, with technological innovations enabling new formats and production approaches. Brands that experiment with emerging creative trends often gain competitive advantages and valuable learning opportunities. Key takeaways and action steps. Prioritize creative investment. Allocate appropriate resources to creative development given its outsized impact on campaign ROI. Apply best practices. Implement consistent creative standards across all advertising channels. Test and learn. Establish ongoing testing frameworks to continuously improve creative performance. Stay current. Monitor emerging creative formats and technologies to maintain competitive edge. Successful advertising in today's complex digital ecosystem requires a strategic approach to creative development. By investing in quality creative assets, systematically applying best practices, and establishing robust testing frameworks, brands can significantly outperform competitors. Remember that creative is not just an art form, it's a science that can be measured, optimized, and improved through data driven decision making. The organizations that embrace this mindset will continue to achieve superior advertising results.